want to show you how to use Google Sheets to compute a linear regression function to model price as a function of demand. So first you're going to click here on Google Drive as part of your iSpartan suite of applications. You want to click New and create a new sheet. Now in this spreadsheet, you're going to enter the demand or the independent variable on the left side and the price or the dependent variable as the right column. And now if you highlight both columns, including the titles here, you can click this Insert Chart button and Google will create what it thinks you want as a chart. In this case, it created a line chart. That's not what we need for this for this regression project. We want a scatter plot. And so we would select here our scatter chart. Next, we need to start customizing this because you'll notice the title is not quite what we want. The horizontal and the vertical axis titles are also not quite what we want. So we can set this to customize. If you don't like the color, you can change some of these things. I'm fine with the color. Next, we can start changing the chart title. So currently it's set as price versus demand. You can enter what you want to change it to there. You have the option to enter a subtitle. You can label the horizontal axis and the vertical axis. And that'll change these here. Next, if you click on Series, this is where we're going to be able to find our regression function. And so if you scroll down here, what you're going to want is this trend line. If I check this box, it draws for me the linear regression function that models this data of price as a function of demand. I actually want to see the equation that I got also, so I'm going to go here to Label and select Use Equation. And so now it labeled this line with the linear regression function that's modeling the data here. Good. And then there's other things that you can fiddle with if you'd like, including the legend. You can change things about the horizontal axis, the vertical axis, and the grid lines. The next thing that you're going to need to do for this project is submit it, right? And so you've got to be able to export this as a file. And so if you click on these three dots, you can choose to download this either as a PNG image file or a PDF document.